our guest for today.
Before we play, I want you to know pick sila mo. Pick ka mo ni game mo. Pick one. Then, I'll give you an instruction. The title of the game is Walk on the Bridge. Okay?
Paano na yung spoon, tapos spoon, tapos sabon. Tapos nakatawag hindi ka na maligo ha. Tapos tayo nyo naman, kay panet ka mo. Okay? Very good!
Okay.
Okay, sa akin sa hindi matutog sa may... Wait lang. Punta ka na yung spoon. Okay?
Ready, set,
Go! Go, Team A! Go, Team A! Go, Team A! Go!